Oh. Okay. Can you situate yourself? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video that I've been very excited to do for you guys. I've had this on my schedule for a while and I've seen people do these kinds of videos before and I've always wanted to do it, so I'm so glad that the day is finally here. But for today's video, I'm going to be having you guys help me pick out my outfit for a wedding that we have coming up. Before anyone inevitably asks, no, it's not Michelle's wedding. That would be impressive considering she just got engaged a minute ago. It's actually for Trevor's stepbrother. Trevor is a groomsman in the wedding and obviously I am attending, and it is a fall wedding. I haven't been to a fall wedding in so long. Most of the weddings that I've been to in the last few years are either spring or summer. So I was very excited to style some fall wedding outfit ideas for you guys and for myself as well, because it's definitely a look that I haven't gotten to do in quite a while. So we'll definitely be trying out some fall/winter wedding guest dress outfit ideas. I have, I think, 5 outfits. One dress is from Urban Outfitters and then all the rest are from Revolve, but all of the dresses that I'm trying on and styling in this video are under $100, so definitely on the more affordable side. But before we jump into the looks, I just want to welcome anyone who's new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to join my little YouTube family, and also hit the notification bell. And for everyone watching, of course, make sure to like this video, but more importantly, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite outfit was. I mean, the whole point of this video is for you guys to help me pick out which outfit to wear to this wedding. So I'm not going to know which outfit you guys like unless you leave a comment. So it's very, very important that you make sure to leave your favorite outfit in the comment section below. And also, before we jump into the outfits, just to help you guys kind of get a visual of which outfit would be best, the wedding is going to be in the Fallbrook area, which is a little bit south of me and a bit east of San Diego. And the venue is called the Fallbrook Estate. It's kind of like your traditional, almost country clubby kind of feel of a wedding. There's a lawn, there's this beautiful white and stone structure where I believe the ceremony is going to be held, and then I think the reception might be indoors in one of the ballrooms from my understanding. I'm not super involved with the wedding planning for this wedding, so that's just my best guess based on the invitation and the information that I know of right now. And then as far as dress code goes, the invitation specifically says no dress code is required, so we're just kind of winging it. I guess basically I can wear pretty much whatever I want. Obviously, I'm not the type who would show up in jeans to a wedding. I also just like to dress up in general, so I will definitely take this opportunity to dress up, but just know that it isn't like formal, semi-formal, black tie or anything like that. Trevor's stepbrother and his fiance are very, very much laid back. That whole entire side of the family is, so I'm pretty positive it's like just anything goes. Dress as nice as you want to or dress down if you want to, but just make sure it's still wedding appropriate. Okay, so before I officially jump into all the dresses, I just want to give you guys a quick caveat. I know that they are wrinkled, and that is because I'm obviously going to return whichever ones I don't pick. So I just didn't want to steam any of them and run the risk of like damaging it and then I can't return it. So oh, okay. Can you situate yourself? Other caveat is Spartacus is joining us for today's video, so yeah, he's there. But anyways, yeah, I just don't want to run the risk of damaging any of them by steaming them. So just know I am aware that they are wrinkled, but since I want to get my money back for most of them, I can't steam it. But anyways, this first dress is the one from Urban Outfitters. I really am obsessed with the color on this one. I think that's so pretty. I love a good orange in the fall. I love the silk on this. I think that makes it look really, really nice. It's got an adjustable slit right here. This ruching is actually functional, so you can make this go higher or lower depending on your preference. And then it's spaghetti strap, and in the back it is crisscrossed. For this dress, I felt like doing something a little bit more casual and fun. So as you guys can hopefully see, I went with a pair of knee-high snakeskin boots. These are from Shoe Dazzle. Really love these. I think that they like definitely dress up any outfit. I think that you can totally get away with boots at a wedding if it's fall or winter time. In fact, I personally would encourage it. If you don't have to wear heels, don't worry about it. Just, you know, do your thing and take the opportunity with the weather to be a little bit more comfortable. And also for me, there's something that I just find really kind of like understated sexy about a pair of knee-high or over-the-knee boots with a slit. I think it's a really, really nice pairing, and I just love the snakeskin with the silk with this. Then to finish it out, I'm gonna throw on this coat. The wedding is gonna be in early November. I don't think it's gonna be crazy cold, but I still want to bring a coat just because it can get cold. I know that the ceremony for sure is outside, and also it just kind of like finishes out the outfit. I went with this wool tie waist coat. This one is from Windsor, I believe, but it is a little bit older, so I'll try to find a dupe for for you guys if you guys are interested in it, because I don't think that they sell it anymore. And then to finish out the look, I went with the Coach Jess crossbody, but I turned it into a little shoulder bag by adding this gold chain to it. I showed you guys how I did this in my Coach bag unboxing if you guys would like to check that out. But yeah, this is the first option. Like I said, a little bit more out there with the snakeskin boots and stuff, but I really like it. I think that's a lot of fun, and it's also super, super comfortable. And now we're diving into the Revolve dresses with outfit number 2. So I do want to say, first off, right off of the bat, if I went with this dress, I would need to get it altered just because the straps are a bit too long, which is why it's hanging really, really low. It is meant to be a deep V-neck, but I think it's supposed to be probably just like a little bit more like this as opposed to where it's sitting right now. To rig it just for this video, I literally tied it with a Skims face mask. So, you know, just making it work. But anyways, besides the point. This dress, this color is stunning. I love it. It is so on trend because we all know bold, saturated primary colors are in for this fall season. And this blue is just giving me all those vibes and I'm obsessed. I also really, really like the way it fits on me. I feel like on me, this just really flatters my body. I feel really, really confident in this. And I was actually really surprised because this was the dress that I was actually the most worried about out of all of the dresses, but flattery wise, I think I like it the most. I don't know, even if you guys don't pick this dress, I may actually keep it just to have, because like I said, I just really, really like the way that it hugs my body. But anyways, for styling it, what I was thinking is a pair of blue booties like so, these blue croc booties from, you guessed it, Shoe Dazzle. I thought that might be fun on this one to just totally play into the blues. And if you guys were going to a winter wedding, I actually really love this one for a winter wedding because winter and blue go so well hand in hand. I know that is a mini dress, but if it's like a pure winter wedding, you can totally do a pair of tights and then maybe a taller pair of boots and then throw on a fur coat over this. I think a fur coat would look absolutely stunning over this dress with like a pair of rhinestone earrings. That would be like my dream outfit if this wedding was more in like December or January. But since we are in November to style this one, I decided to still play around and have a little bit of fun. And I went with this color block coat from Forever 21. I'm obsessed with this coat, you guys. I saw it in an ad for Forever 21 and I think it's just like so unique. I've never seen anything like this. And I just feel like it just adds a really, really fun element to this outfit. And then for my bag, I just decided to play into the black in this coat and I went with my YSL Small Lulu bag. This bag is like the perfect nighttime bag. It can fit a lot of stuff, it can turn into a crossbody, but it just like looks so nice that you can wear it with an elegant evening look. And just a heads up on the bags, it's only gonna be between this one and the Coach one for the rest of these outfits, mainly because I do plan to vlog the wedding, so I need a bag that can fit my camera, and out of all my bags, these are the two that are the appropriate size to fit my camera that would still look nice for like a wedding setting. But anyways, this is the full option for outfit number 2. I really like this one a lot more than I thought I was going to, but still, I want to see what you guys think. This next dress I feel like is the most fall of all. I mean, it's got the long sleeves, it's a little bit of a longer length, and it's this beautiful red color that is appropriate for both fall and the winter time. But I will admit, this did not fit the way I had hoped it would. I feel like it's just making me look a little bit wide here, but that could be me. That's also why I'm asking you guys your opinion. I do really like this dress. I think that it is such a unique dress. I love that it's long sleeve, one off the shoulder, and then it has this slit here with the ruching. Just such a unique dress. Definitely the most unique dress out of all of the dresses that I ordered. To style it, since it is very fall and very winter, I figured I could go a little bit lighter on the shoes. So I went with these acrylic clear heels from Shoe Dazzle. And then for the coat, I'm keeping it a little bit lighter since this is already long sleeve. And I'm just doing this kind of lightweight draped lapel beige coat from H&M. And for the bag, we're going with the Coach one for this outfit. And here is the full fit. Again, this dress is just so unique. It's really cool. I haven't come across anything like it, especially with this neckline. So in my opinion, it's definitely a contender to consider. All right, then outfit number 4 was a late contender to all of the options. I was originally only gonna do 4, but decided to add this one in last minute, and I'm so glad I did. Just like the blue one, I am shocked at how much I love the way it fits. I guess this kind of like lightly scrunched style from Super Down just like really works with my body. I feel very confident in this dress and the blue dress, and they both have the similar kind of style. But this dress is an off the shoulder dress, and then this is technically a beige, but if you actually see it in person, it has just a little bit of a dusty rose quality to it. But for the shoes on this one, I went with the clear heels as well. And then for the coat, I wanted to add a little bit of depth to the outfit, so I'm gonna go with the long Windsor coat, especially since this is a shorter dress and I'm wearing it with open toe heels. I appreciate a little bit more warmth around my legs. And then for the bag with these tones, obviously the Coach one is gonna go better, but this is the full look for outfit number 4. Okay, then word of warning on this last dress, if you end up getting it, just know the zipper on this dress is super tough. It's all the way down the side here, and once you open it and try to zip it up on your body, it does not budge at all. I literally just zipped this dress up and then put it on overhead, and then it went on just fine. So be warned, yes, the dress fits you. The zipper is just super temperamental. But anyways, about the dress, this one is a green one shoulder mini dress, and I'm really loving this cutout here. This is definitely a very trendy style that's happening for the fall and winter seasons this year. We're seeing a lot of tops and dresses that have this exact one shoulder cutout style. But I really love the green on this dress. I think that it's a stunning shade of green. If this wedding were closer to Christmas, you better bet that I would be rocking this with a red lip and probably with a fur coat. But for a fall wedding, I decided to actually do black with this dress. I just thought that the green and the black would be a fun combination. For my shoes, these are from Public Desire, but a ton of other brands make similar ones to these. They're just a pair of quilted mules. And then to play into the black, I went with a fall staple, just your classic black leather jacket. Again, there is no dress code for this wedding, so a leather jacket is totally fine. If you're going to a nicer wedding, I think that definitely a black oversized blazer would be a good option, or a black wool coat. And then to finish out the outfit, I went with my YSL bag, but this is the last one. I think that this one is actually the most casual out of all of the outfits just because of the leather jacket, but the dress itself is still pretty dressy, so it definitely balances each other out. Alright you guys, well those are all of my outfit options for this wedding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got some really good fall and winter wedding guest outfit ideas. I really loved putting this video together because A, obviously it's functional for me because I need to pick an outfit to go to the wedding, and B, I love the fact that I was able to share some affordable wedding guest dress options with you guys that are under $100. But of course, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. I also realized, I don't think I mentioned, but if it sways your decision at all, I am most likely wearing my hair down for this wedding. I know that that can totally change the vibe of an outfit, so just keep that in mind. I did this whole video with my hair down specifically because I am about 90% sure that that's what I'm gonna go with. Probably will also do makeup similar to what I have right now, so I was just trying to serve you guys the vibes that I anticipate having for that day. But besides leaving your comment for your favorite pick, don't forget to also like this video and subscribe if you're new. But for right now, I'm gonna get going. I have a lot to clean up, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and for your input on which dress I should go with, and I will see you guys very soon again in my next video. Bye.